Hey, what's up guys? I got a BMW here. I'm going to show you how to pair it to your garage door. I'm going to show you two ways to do it, okay, depending on if you have a rolling code garage or not. Okay, so the first thing to try is this. Look on your rearview mirror. You should have 3 buttons here. You can see if you look down here, I have 1, 2, 3. If yours is not here, it may be up here. Okay, anyway, mine is right here. So this is what I'm going to do. So first thing is the first button and the third button. I'm going to press and hold both buttons. Keep holding it until I see a rapid light blinking here. Then I'm going to let go, and then I'm going to grab my garage door opener. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this and press number 1 at the same time. I'm going to press number 1 because this is the one that I want the garage door to open up with. Okay, so this is the first way to do it, and we'll see if this here works. So let's first button, third button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, holding both buttons now. Just waiting for the light to start flashing. May have to wait like 15-20 seconds. I'm still holding both buttons here. Just wait. Flashing. Go ahead and let go. Now go ahead and grab your remote to the garage. Keep your finger on the one that you want to work on your car. I'm going to press both at the same time. I'm going to press and hold both. I'm holding both. The light is flashing and I'm going to keep on holding it. Now I'm going to go ahead and let go. Now let's see if this works or not. So that just opened up my garage. Let's see if I can close it now. Okay, doesn't work. The reason is because I have a rolling code. So now what I'm going to do is this. So the first way it didn't work is probably because you have a rolling code on your garage door. So simply go to where your box is. So mine is right here. Okay, what we want to do is press the learning code button. Mine's a red square here. Yours may be a round black one. We want to press it and then run into the car. And you have within 30 seconds of programming. So let's do it together. Ready? Here's my red button here. Let's press it kind of hard. All right, it's learning mode. Let's get back into the car now. And then press your desired button that you want. Press it twice, okay? 1, 2. Okay, there we go. Now it's opening my garage. And let's see if I can close it. There we go. Good luck.